Wow, kung may isa naman ka lugar nga amon nga ginaengganyo kamo nga bisitahan nyo kag tilawan nyo ang manami nga pagkaon, ini amo ang
Seaside Floating Restaurant. BFF, kampiyon ng crispy pata dire.
Oo.
Ang another favorite of mine is the adobo nga lukos, kag ang kinilaw nga isda, kag ang sinigang nga gingaw.
Wow.
Actually tanan BFF dire manami, kidya katama.
Para mas lalo pag nila nga ma-appreciate yari ang amon nga istorya sa Dali Di Kaon na ta.
TLS has the best time of our lives when we visited and dined at the first ever floating restaurant in Barangay Balaring, Silay City. Seaside Floating Restaurant is the place to go. This restaurant is very clean, nice, and relaxing, brought about by the sea breeze and the calming waves. The floating restaurant is owned and managed by a resident of Barangay Balaring and a former banker, Lenny Castillo.
Okay, it did not come in an instant. Right? We tried to build it slowly. After the 3 kubos, we tried to build the function room, wherein you can have your private affair there. We hold birthdays, weddings, debuts there. And after which, we also build another 3 kubos there, okay, for smaller groups. So you can have your private function there also, 8 to 10 persons in one small kubo. Then, during this pandemic, we tried to build this one, the coffee and bar, to accommodate also the young ones.
Yeah.
Of course, the uso ang coffee But ultimately, a lot of our customers wanted to dine here. So, aside from coffee and bar, this became a dining area also.
Okay.
Then after the coffee and bar, we build the beach house, wherein anyone who wants to spend an overnight stay can be there, can enjoy the scenery of the beach.
Yes. Seaside Floating Restaurant offers a variety of seafoods to choose from. Among our favorites are adobong pusit, crispy pata, tinolang gingaw, crabs, mixed seafoods, and many more. Worth appreciating is the fast service, friendly staff, and the beautiful panoramic view.
Actually, it started with just a little dream. Gusto ko may floating restaurant sa tunga sa dagat. Okay? Wala ko kabalo, kabudlay gali magbutang sina. So I started with we started with 3 cottages, small cottages. And tapos actually we do not have the kitchen. We cook there across the restaurant. We did not call it restaurant, in fact, at first, because it was just plain 3 kubos.
Oh.
And after that, maybe the people were curious because we call it floating restaurant. It was the first floating restaurant here in Balaring and in Silay City as well. And from there, people kept on coming back.
Yes.
They tried our food, and up to this time we kept on innovating and That's why we have this crispy pata, we have this pork, we have this chicken
Okay.
for now.
What makes your place unique?
Compared to others, we have this coffee and bar.
Okay.
We have the beach house for your overnight stay. And of course, the restaurant in particular.
Okay. All right. What are the special menus that you offer here? Isa-isahon ta.
Yes. Actually, we have the mixed seafoods.
Okay.
It's a combination of fish, squid, shrimp, and shells. Cooked in a special sauce, served in a sizzling plate.
Okay.
We have also the calamares, the buttered shrimp, of course the crispy pata, the chops. We have the chop suey.
Yeah.
We have pancit. We have sopanghon.
Oh,
we have
kadami.
bangui.
Yes.
And we have the kasag,
Yes.
the stuffed squid in subbang lupos. And almost everything is here.
Mga friends, kadto ka mo din sa Seaside Floating Restaurant sa Balaring. Sa ulunan ini, namit gid. Try their adobong pusit or squid. And then ang ilang nga crabs. Kag, oh my gosh, my favorite gingaw.
And this one.
Yes, the crispy pata. Try the food here. Aside from the very beautiful ambience.
Everyone, please try to visit Seaside Floating Restaurant. Our address is Barangay Balaring, Silay City, Negros Occidental. You can contact us through our cell phone 0947-958-8910, and we have also our landline 467-5406.